You're back. I'm Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we'll be uncovering the truth about the Gerber Gorge Folding Shovel. The Gorge Folding Shovel features a fast and smooth collapsible handle and a glass-filled nylon shaft with rubberized overgrip. The spade folds like this to reveal a textured head to be used as a hammer for pounding in tent stakes. The shaft can be tightened with the locking nut to lock the spade and hammer in place, and it can be loosened to change their positions. It can be used in its straight out position for digging holes. It can be put in a half fold for raking loose dirt, or closed so you can use the hammer. It also has a fold at the base of the spade for foot placement if you find you need to step on it to dig into harder grounds. Something that can be a pro at times and a con at others is the stiffness of this shovel. I'm a pretty small individual, so I find that I struggle a lot more with untightening metal materials, and this one is definitely harder for me to work with. When it's open, the overall length of the shovel is 16.5 inches long, and when it's folded down, it's 9.25 inches long. It weighs only about 28 ounces, which is less than 2 pounds, and the handle is made from anodized aluminum. The head is made from forged steel. The package contains the foldable shovel itself and a nylon drawstring bag. The drawstring bag can be closed and tightened and attached to your belt, backpack, or hung from your arm for simple retrieval. To put it into its bag, you simply close it up, place it inside. You can tighten it up and you're ready to go. It's compact in size, so it's great for camping and backpacking where you don't want to have such a heavy load to carry around. Having a shovel when you're out in the wilderness is actually very, very important. You can use it for things like cleaning out your fire pit, getting that nasty, annoying rock out from under your tent. It's especially important for digging yourself somewhere to go, if you know what I mean. The head of the Gorge doesn't have any super sharp edges or any serration, so it wouldn't be the best for cutting, chopping, or sawing anything like its competitor, the M48 Tactical Shovel by United Cutlery. The link for the video that I did on that is in the description below. However, you can sharpen the edges of this shovel if you feel like a sharp edge is important for your shovel to have. For more information on the Gerber Gorge Folding Shovel and other Gerber products, please visit our website at www.lockharttactical.com. If you have an idea for a video that you want to see me do, don't hesitate to message or comment it directly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, over and out.